My name is Austin Nixon. I'm from Dallas, Texas. I'm a second generation builder. We specialize in custom homes, luxury construction, and we also do high-end remodels. One thing that I remember from the workshop that Fred talked about that I thought was cool was we have a business and look at it as a machine. The machine, we're putting input into it, but the output wasn't exactly what we're wanting. And that's where I felt like I was spinning my wheels. I was putting in all this work, but the outcome wasn't exactly what I was hoping for. So instead of putting more into the machine, we need to stop, take a break, take apart the machine, look at our processes, look at everything that we're putting into it and figure out why the output isn't where we're wanting it. So that's part of what we've done is looked at the business, because as a business that's been around for 30 years, the company was there, our reputation was there, but being able to really take apart the machine and improve it, figure out what was working and what wasn't working compared to well, that's just the way we've always done it, we've been able to look at, okay, this works, but how can we improve on that? That put it into perspective for me of, okay, we have a machine, we're not building a new machine, we're just taking the machine, taking it apart and fixing the things to have a better outcome than what we're having now.